What's going on, guys? Johnny Bubbles back with another video. Bro, that intro is just killer, Aaron. I'm gonna do it one more time, but this time, guys, I want you guys to say it with me. Include your own name in that. Are you ready? Yo, what's going on, guys? Johnny Bubbles back with another video. This time, we're gonna be cleaning some curries. Yo, we have a lot of requests to clean some curries, and we finally found some on eBay that are beat enough to do. So I'm excited to do that today. With our advanced 3-brush sneaker laundry system and our sneaker laundry detergent that is available right now at reshoevn8r.com. So let's get started. All right, guys, before I get started, I do want to mention, don't forget about the Yeezy giveaway, guys. This is a brand new month. You have about 2 weeks left to enter, so make sure you guys enter that. Link will be in the description below. So shout out to Rex once again for winning last month's Adidas, what were they, Coppers, I think they were. So we're gonna take the wheel, spin it again this month. It'll be a brand new pair, and one of you lucky winners will win that. So I'm gonna get started. First thing I'm gonna do, guys, is put the right shoe aside, and I'm gonna clean the left one for comparison reasons. These are a size 8.5, so I think that's gonna be like the 5th hole to the center here, if I'm not mistaken. Put it in there like so. Cool, that looks good. Now the next step is to remove the laces. All right, guys, now that the laces are removed, the next step is to grab our bottle of solution, pour 2 small squirts into our bowl of water, just like so. And the first brush I'm gonna use, guys, is our soft brush to clean these uppers. These uppers are a little different than I'm used to. This front toe cap here is kind of like a rubbery feel, like a thin rubber. And then we got this upper that what Under Armour calls speed form, but I wouldn't call it mesh. I mean, it does kind of have like a mesh material. Fairly firm and flexible, but I'm just gonna use a soft brush on the entire uppers, and hopefully it cleans them up pretty good. All right, guys, the uppers are looking pretty good, as you can see. Go ahead and check them out. I'm gonna move on to the midsoles now using our new all-purpose brush. I do see a few more scuffs here. I'm not sure if that's damage to the material, but I'm gonna try to get those out with our microfiber towel, dip it into our solution, scrub it. If that doesn't work, then I'll just go on to the midsole, like I said, and just clean those with the all-purpose brush. All right, guys, it looks like I got most of it out, if not all of it right here. Since that worked, what I'm gonna go ahead and do is move on and try to get the rest of these with the same microfiber towel. I am applying quite a bit of pressure because I'm not afraid to damage this, since, like I said before, it is kind of like a rubber material. So I'm just gonna go ahead, like I said, hit up these deeper stains with this microfiber towel, and then move on to those midsoles. All right, guys, I am done hitting up the midsole with that all-purpose brush. Although I do still see that this white rubber down here is a little dirty. Not sure if you guys can see it or not, but it is a little dirty. Now, one question that we always get, I wouldn't say always, but we get frequently, is why do we have 3 different types of brushes? So we have that soft, the all-purpose, and then the stiff. And honestly, this shoe is a perfect example. So with this upper, obviously you don't want to fray it, so the soft brush is going to work great on that. The midsole right here is painted, so to use a stiff brush on it may cause it to crack or paint even more. And then this rubber part right here obviously is not going to clean up with that medium brush, not always at least. As you can see, there's still some deeper stains, and then that's where our stiff brush will come into play with that, and it's not just for the outsoles. So you can even see it here, it's perfect. A softer material to a more stiffer to a rubber that is okay to use that stiff brush. So that's what I'm gonna do next, is use that stiff brush and hopefully get some of those deeper stains out. All right guys, so I am done using the stiff brush on this white rubber right here. And as you can see, they cleaned up really, really nice. I'm very excited that that actually came out. As you can see from the bottom, they were this dirt color and now they are white. So with that same stiff brush, I'm gonna go ahead and move on to cleaning the outsoles. Let's go ahead and hold the brush like Victor Almighty does. Got this. All right, definitely not. That's awkward. All right guys, so I am all done hitting up the outsoles. As you can see, they are really, really clean. One thing I do want to mention guys is this outsole was a little tough to clean. My hand was actually cramping up. As you can see, there's a whole bunch of designs either going this way, squiggly lines going down and across. So whenever you come across a sole that's like this, you have to hit it in multiple directions guys to get all the dirt that's in the little crevices if you want, if you care that much. But if not, just a quick up and down is gonna work for you. But like I said, I was getting a little cramp, had to stop a few times because I was hitting it multiple directions, flipping the shoe, just turning it and hitting it up. But they came out super clean. And honestly guys, I'm really impressed with this cleanup. I thought I was gonna have to use the laundry system, but I don't think I have to. That's one of the beautiful things about this kit guys, is although it does come with the laundry bag and the shoe trees to put it in the wash, you don't always have to do so. The 3 brushes and the solution by itself will get you these results. So the next step to do guys is to grab our laces, clean those up in that little bowl, and then lace them up. All right guys, the shoes are all laced up. Go ahead and check out the difference. They cleaned up super, super nice. And remember, that was done with our advanced 3-brush sneaker laundry system. Even though we didn't use the laundry system or the detergent, they went ahead and cleaned up nice either way. One thing I do want to point out guys is this lace job. I know some of you guys are going to clown in the comment section below. Go ahead, show me all the hate you guys want. But as you can see here, this lace tip was missing. Show you what it's supposed to look like. And I was fighting with it for quite some time to try to get them inside the holes. And that's the best that I can do. But oh wow, it is what it is, right? But there you go again, guys. Go ahead and check out the results. They look super, super crispy. I know some of you guys might be like, well, why are you guys cleaning that shoe? It's a basketball shoe. Look, if you're not looking super crispy on the court, it doesn't matter if you score 30 points, if you get a triple-double, you gotta keep the kicks clean, guys. Look at these Currys. These Currys are fire. Once again, guys, you can find all our products at reshoevn8r.com, guys. Don't forget the Yeezy giveaway going down this month. We had our last month's winner, Rex from Seattle, which you guys already know he won some coppers. Don't forget, guys, you have until the end of the month to enter. Link will be in the description below. Also, guys, if you're gonna be out here in LA for All-Star Weekend, we got a pop-up shop happening on Saturday between 2 to 6 at Hall of Fame on Fairfax. We're also gonna be at Sneaker Games on Sunday and Sneaker Summit as well. We're gonna be at both shows. Not sure which one I'm gonna be at yet, but we will be down there for All-Star Weekend, so make sure you guys come through. That's gonna be it, guys. I'm Johnny Bubbles. I'll see you guys in the next one.